Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. So we have seen that how you can do free of cost certified system administrator, your CSA certificate and many other certificate free of cost through your organization. So your organization will provide you that certificate, and now as you have done your certificates, to say so today we will see how we can make use of the organization email address to renewal of your certificate. That is any of the certificate which you have of ServiceNow, either it's a CSA, CAD, and for that you have to perform the Delta exam. So for that, what you need to do is you have to come on your ServiceNow University instance, and into that log on to the email address which from which you have attained your certificate for CSA and CAD. And when you just scroll it down on the ServiceNow University, then you will have this notification or a pop-up tab which is like that one or more credential at the risk of expiring, so take the following steps to resolve. So first is like confirm payment for your certificate maintenance exam. So there is no, yes, there is free of cost certificate maintenance exam, so no payment will be there. And whichever the certificate you have done already, that is CSA, CAD, or any of the other certificate also in mainline certificate, I'm just mentioning it here for service now. So you can just or whatever the certificate which is at the risk of expiring, so these you can renew it using your Delta exam. So view your address credentials and take your Delta exam. So you can just click on here, access your Delta exam, and as you can see, this Sky Whipple has two of the certificate which is at the risk of expiration. So this is ServiceNow Certified Application Developer, CAD, which will expire on 16th of April 2026, and another certificate also which is CSA. So this also expire on the same day. So when you just click on this button, this arrow, then you'll just navigate it to the CAD Delta exam tab. Here I'm just repeating it you for all that the maintenance fees is zero. It's a free of cost maintenance exam, so please don't have to pay it anywhere else. You only just have to go there, and as you can see, that certified application developer maintenance exam 2026 Delta. So this will come up onto your screen when you just click on the arrow button, and it's of the 1 or 30 minutes exam. And yes, it's a non-proctor exam, so no camera, nothing will be required. So you can just give it at your own pace. When you just click on start, so as you can see on the screen, it will tell you to enroll, and 0 USD is required for the maintenance of the Delta exam. Agree and enroll. And let me just tell you that this certificate is non-expiry. It's not like that. Whenever there is a ServiceNow version upgrade from or any of the 2 to 3, after 2 to 3 version upgrade, they will tell you to do for the maintenance exam, which is like the Delta exam, you have to give it. So the CAD maintenance exam Delta, it's of 1 hour 20 minutes, which is of the 3 questions, and the exam attempt is 5 attempts. You can get it, and you can have it at your own space. And after you'll perform this CAD, then basically your certificate of CAD, CSA, or whichever certificate will get renewed. So that's all for today video. We will come up with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.